iOS has very limited options when it comes to customizing and improving the sound quality on your iPhone. Especially when playing music through your iPhone, you have very limited options to what you can do, but not with the Boom app. The Boom app actually offers a lot. You can improve the quality of your music, and of course, the bass, the equalizer, everything can be changed, customized, and of course, improved and get the best quality out of your device. These are just some of the options that you will be able to find on this app. There's a lot more, even for your headphones and everything else that you play through your device. Now, what you can do with this app, simply load the songs that you have on your music library, or even load from your Files app, or maybe import them from things like Dropbox or your Google Drive. You will have here iTunes Music, your iCloud Music, and you will have here Tidal, Dropbox, and Google Drive as well. It is actually really cool, and not just that, you will also be able to play podcasts, also play radios from your region, which is really awesome, and all these with the best quality that you can actually set yourself through this app. Right here we'll have your library, and of course, as I said, everything that you can import on the app. Once you go to your library right here, you will be able to import files or music directly from your library or the Files app. You can choose to import folders or just specific files. And then when you go to your music and you try to play something, you will have this really nice interface where you will have here a few different equalizers that are preset, like based on what you're listening or what your mood is. You can just go ahead and quickly switch between them directly from here. Not just that, you can even add your own custom one by just tapping this button. You can just go ahead and just play with the equalizer and set your own right here. Now what's really cool is this part. You tap on this button, and then here we'll have all the really cool Boom options, like the 3D surround sound. You have the surround right here, which of course you can customize. You tap there and you will see all the surround options. You can of course turn them on or off directly from here, which is really easy to do. Now you will have a lot more options right here, like bass boost. You want to boost the bass on your device, and this of course will take effect on the media that you're playing through this app, whether you're playing them on like a speaker, on the iPhone speaker, or an external speaker, whatever you're doing, this will have, of course, that great effect. You enable it right there, and you can go ahead and change the bass right here. Not just that, you can set the intensity here. There we go, we have the equalizer again. And this is one of my favorite options right here, is the ability to set a custom EQ for your headphones. Now this is really cool. You can go ahead and select your headphones right here. You can see a ton of different headphones. Like we can go ahead and search for AirPods right here. And then we have all the different AirPods that you can get, of course. Let's go ahead, and here we have the AirPods Pro 2. I can go ahead and select that. And then we can just go ahead and basically use that equalizer for these headphones. You will also have the ability to enable reverb, which is really cool. Enable the pitch right here. You can set the pitch. You can even set the speed as well, which is really awesome. All these settings can actually be accessed from anywhere on the app using that same button. So if we go to the music right here, you can see I always have this button that allows me to quickly go to these settings and customize them the way I like, and of course help improve the music quality on my device. Now right here we'll have your library, which looks really awesome, really clean. You can go ahead and of course search for your music here. You can switch between like your library, your iTunes Music, your iCloud Music, and the Boom playlist, or you can search anything you want there. Again, you can rearrange right here by artist, album, recently added, and all that stuff. Now down here you will have the tab bar where you will have your albums, you will have the artists, the playlist, and the different genres as well. Again, really easy to use, really nice and simple interface, and the ability to have the best sound that you can get out of your device by customizing all the settings any way you like. Again, 3D surround sound if you're playing on like speakers, that you have connected through Bluetooth on your device, that will be awesome. You can again just boost the bass right here, change the equalizers to anything you want. Like you can see right here, hip hop, house. You will have the electric one, you will have the flat one if you want to use that. You can create your custom one and all that stuff. So it's actually very easy to use, and every music that is played through this app will sound much better on your device. So if you want to give it a try, you can go ahead and check out the link right down below in the description of the video. That is it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.